It's okay. We have more of these. This is
nice.
This is so cute.
This is nice. You decorate this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you the coldest.
Of course.
A natural interior decorator. Coordinate.
No, I ordered those on Etsy. Okay. And I had some that I got when I was in Ethiopia. So and I was like, okay, so either they're coming from Ethiopia, getting sent here, but I never saw that color in Ethiopia.
Yeah,
I have two of
teal.
that. Yeah. Okay. And then
So cute.
this stuff, some of this stuff came, some of it's local, but that little Ganesha came from Torremolinos from Spain. So, you know, everything has a special reason. You know, that other little thing I got when I was in LA with my nephew who used to work here. And so, yeah, everything is, you know.
This is like
How you put the names to them too.
I have to put the name up on the door. I have to decide on what I want to do, and then I'm going to do some really cool little tile right here. And then we're going to block them off because we're going to do 3 more. Okay. And we'll just block them off with rocks and sand, and then try to do a little small fire pit in the middle here too.
Fire pit here too? Oh yeah, that's going.
so like that's
it.
space for one.
Yeah, because each one has its own little area and vibe. And then if you do want to kick it with the people over there, you guys can come.